probably too dark. I don't know how well it's gonna pick up. Oh my, we gotta wash this thing. So this is what our Mustang looks like at night. Oh, I absolutely love the exhaust on this car. So it's raining out, but a little pool here, nothing crazy. Woo, love it. So I actually don't drive the Mustang at night that often, and this is actually the second time that I have driven in the rain with the Mustang. So one thing I'm noticing is the headlights. These are my favorite headlights. They're Halo CCF, I believe, headlights, and I love them, but the visibility is very poor compared to other headlights. So the visibility in front of me is poor. Now, I don't know if the camera's going to even pick it up that well. For you guys might not even see any headlights. Now I can see in front of me, but they're definitely not, yeah, as good as other headlights. But I love the halos so much that, you know, whatever. I do think maybe I want to install some fog lights. I think that might be a good idea to do. So, yeah, that might be a future project for the good old Stang, is maybe some stealth fog lights. That would be pretty cool, I think. I'll have to see what's available and see. What I'll do is I'll put them behind the grill. I think that would be the best place to keep them hidden. But, you know, I love them so much I wouldn't swap out my headlights. I'd just add some fogs. So I am curious to see how well these tires hook up. So we got a green light, but oh, good. So these are Mickey Thompson Street Comp tires, 255/45 on 18-inch wheels. So I'm curious to see how well we can grip. So hopefully, okay, let's try it out. Oh, that was horrible. All right. Rainy roads, they didn't grip at all. So, it would have sounded like I would have just revved it, but no, I got on it, they spun, they didn't go nowhere. So, yeah, Mickey Thompson Street Comp tires, not the greatest for gripping on, let's see, it's about 65 degrees and wet roads. So, yeah, not the greatest, but that's alright. I still love them. Just gotta remember not to act a fool. Of course, I guess you really shouldn't be acting a fool anyway, but sometimes on my YouTube videos I can get a little carried away. That's basically the only time I act a fool. Gotta get that good content for you guys. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.